Hey! Hey guys, what's up? It's Sabrina. Welcome back. If you're already subscribed, awesome. Share this video or comment down below. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe bar and make sure you like or share this video or comment down below as well, because I don't bite. So for today's video, I'm going to be recreating some of Zendaya's characters, and I just thought, you know, why not make a YouTube video out of it? Let's dive into some of these looks and join me while I do my makeup / outfit. Okay, bye. Basically, her look is very simple and natural. She doesn't have a lot of makeup on. I'm gonna glue up my eyebrows just a little bit. So now I'm going to be filling in our brows.
Okay, so basically I took this long sleeve gray shirt that I have and I topped it off with a hoodie and then another hoodie on top that's like a vest and these gray cargo pants with some gloves. I didn't have anything to use as the oxygen tube that goes up their nostril, so I had to put a USB cord up my nose. Yes. I tied my hair back because she has her hair tied back and it's kind of messy. And for the bottom half, you can wear like any type of sneakers, I'm guessing, or just boots. Basically, this look is really easy. You just look like another Star Wars character, if you know what I mean. So yeah, peace out.
Don't look at my butt. It's interrupting my video.
Ma'am? He blipped, so technically he's 16, not 21.
I'll take that.
She's lying. I don't even know this girl.
Are you sure no one else has figured it out?
Yeah, I mean, it's not like anybody really pays attention to you.
Ouch.
Except for me.
Aw, thanks.
Don't be late.
I won't.
Thank you. My friends call me MJ.
I thought you didn't have any friends.
I didn't.
Why are you here? You don't even have detention.
Oh, I know, I just like coming here to sketch people in crisis. It's you. For MJ's look, I clipped up my hair like she did. I'm wearing a black jacket and I just rolled up the sleeves. Underneath that, I'm wearing a white long sleeve shirt and tucked it into my pants. For the pants, I'm wearing black jeans and I rolled it up at the bottom, and I'm wearing just a thick black belt with it. And for the shoes, you can wear Converse. Those look the best, black Converse.
Alright, move on to the next look. Bye! We are going to move on to Ann Wheeler from The Greatest Showman. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and keep the same look going, and maybe put a little eyeliner on. That's it. Adding a bit more blush just because she's been
On trapeze and she's been, you know, flying through the air while singing Rewrite the Stars with Zac Efron. So,
What is your act, Mr. Carlisle?
I don't have an act.
Everyone's got an act.
Why do you care what they think?
It's not just that. You never had somebody look at you the way your parents looked at me. The way everyone would look at us.
So for the Ann Wheeler look, I took a red tank top and I'm wearing that underneath. And I took a white tank top and placed that on top. And I took some long socks to use as the bandages that are around her wrists. For the bottom half, I just have some red shorts. but they're not high-waisted. And if you don't have a white top and a red tank top, you can just use a flower pattern top like this and tuck it into those red shorts that you have. And then you're Ann Wheeler.
Alright, so we are done the Ann Wheeler look, and now we are going to move on to the Rue Bennett look from Euphoria. I'm just gonna put on some eyeliner and kind of smudge it around.
I have raccoon eyes.
We're gonna wipe it off underneath. I wiped off some of it and it still looks the same. This look is really simple. All you need is just a hungover makeup look and some messy hair, and that's it. I'm pretty sure there's like other makeup looks that you can do that are 100% way better than mine, but this is just a simple tutorial.
Rue, are you pouring coffee in the water filter?
Yes, I am.
Instead of water?
Yes, I am.
Well, please don't do that. And it's late. You shouldn't be drinking caffeine.
Mom, please.
I have homework. Well, there's a sentence I never thought I'd hear. Will you let me know when this is ready?
For Rue Bennett, I just have a burgundy hoodie, and underneath I'm wearing a graphic t-shirt, which is my Michael Jackson t-shirt. For the bottom, I just took some black basketball shorts, and for the shoes, you can wear Converse. But if you don't have Converse, any sneakers can work.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up or a share, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
It's our last night in Europe, and I had this plan that I wanted to tell you. I'm just gonna tell you. MJ,
I'm Spider-Man.
What?
That's what you.
Did Liz get a new top?
No, we've seen that before, but never with that skirt.
Probably stop staring before it gets creepy, though.
Too late. You guys are losers.
But then why do you sit with us?
Because I don't have any friends.